Go.
So, good morning everyone. My name is Andrea Villalon. My topic is about Eduardo Moto. So, who is Eduardo Moto? So, Eduardo Moto is born on October 12, 1949. He is a Filipino metalsmith and sculptor. He is known to be a practitioner of the craft of pinokpok, which involved the stamping of establishments on metal sheets. So, Eduardo Moto is born in Apalit, Pampanga, and he was known for master metalsmithing, religious and secular arts. So, he was awarded by Gawad sa Manlilikha ng Bayan or Gamaba Awardee in 2004. Created a prominent crucified priest that served as the centerpiece of the Papal Mass held at Quirino Grandstand during Pope Francis' visit in Philippines in 2015. So, Eduardo Moto or Nong Eddie, renowned Filipino metalsmith,